We're here in Collegetown Plaza in apartment 4H. We're on the 4th floor, which is the entrance or lobby level of the building. We've come in on the east side of the building, but you'll see when we look out of the window that we're not on ground level. So like all the studio apartments that are on the floors 2 through 9 in this building, we'll enter through the kitchen, have the refrigerator, microwave, sink, stove and oven. We have a bathroom over here. You can see the tub, shower, vanity, toilet, medicine cabinet. Let's go on into the apartment area. We can see there's a dining table and chair, bookshelf, a desk and chair, full-size bed. Let's take a look out the window. You can see we do have a nice view. So we are above ground level. We're up on the 4th floor here in the building, even though we've entered on the lobby level. So that's apartment 4H here in Collegetown Plaza. We have on this floor, we have apartments 4H, I, J, K, and L.